like to thank all my members and thank you for also watching. And if you'd like to become a member of this channel, check out the membership join button. Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to solve invalid video URL link when you're trying to paste it on your YouTube appeal part of the form so you can press submit. I've had a few comments in my comment section by people experiencing this same thing, and it's also happened to me recently with my other channel that recently got rejected for reused content monetization, and I had to make an appeal and the same thing happened to me. So I've got two ways we can resolve this. First way is if you can resolve it through Google support, that's speaking to YouTube staff through YouTube Studio desktop version, and the other way is follow the method I'm going to show you in this video because it will be quicker than speaking to YouTube. Let's quickly go through what it looks like if you were to contact YouTube support. So if you go into your YouTube Studio channel dashboard and desktop version, and if you look at the top right hand corner, click on the message or chat icon to have an instant message chat with Google team. So you can ask them questions and they will respond to you. Here you can tell them that it's saying invalid video URL, and then they'll be able to guide you on how to resolve it. You may have noticed as soon as you have uploaded your appeal video in the actual YouTube app, in the video section, and you try to copy the link from there and you try to paste it on the form, it won't accept it. So this is what you need to do. Go into your YouTube Studio channel dashboard at studio.youtube.com, and it's a desktop version. Click on the content button on the left hand side of the menu. Then click on the thumbnail of your appeal video that you wish to copy the link for. You'll see the link under the video. This is the link that you need to copy. If you are doing this from your phone, you may need to slide your screen to the left so that the copy button will become visible. Great, now you can see the copy button. So click on the copy link button, and once you've done that, at the bottom of the screen you will see it says link copied to clipboard. Now click the back arrow at the top left hand corner of the screen to go back. Click on the earn button. You are now on the earn on YouTube page. Now scroll down to the appeal section, and then where it says paste your link in the video URL box, paste your link there, and this time you'll be pleased to see that the submit button is live. So you can press submit, click on submit, and then on the next screen you'll see it says your appeal has been submitted, and then it further goes on to say we'll review your appeal and get back to you within 14 days. Remember, if you delete any videos after you receive your channel review decision, we won't be able to review your appeal. So then press OK, and it's all done. Aren't you happy now? That was frustrating when you keep trying to paste the link and it wasn't working, but good. So now all you need to do is do your prayers. Pray to God that you will get a brilliant result. So prayer and patience, that's the next step. And then finally, when you get accepted, it will say congratulations and your channel name, you are now a YouTube partner. And then you'll also receive an email in your Gmail to say, yes, congratulations, you've been successful, your appeal was a success. I thank God I didn't have to wait 14 days to get my result. I got my result in just under 6 hours after I submitted mine. So if you like to see the exact video that won my reused content monetization appeal in just under 6 hours, watch the video next. I'll put that at the end screen. And I'd just like to say good luck with yours, and I hope you found this video useful. Please share this with anyone you know that is struggling, because I know how frustrating it was when I was trying to copy my link and I couldn't paste it. It was very frustrating. It's helped someone out. Share this video. Thank you so much for your time. And please check out my demonetization playlist, Google AdSense playlist, YouTube tips playlist, and monetization playlist. We also have other brilliant content on the channel. Thank you so much for your time. I'd like to thank all my members and thank you for also watching. And if you'd like to become a member of this channel, check out the membership join button. Thank you so much. Bye.